Everyone thinks the best-selling blood pressure monitor is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, More Pro Fitness Tracker. The More Pro Fitness Tracker stands out with its sleek design and multifunctionality at just $37.99. It caught my eye for its promise to monitor not only blood pressure, but also heart rate and even sleep quality. If you want a comprehensive health tracker that keeps you aware of your vital stats, this is worth a serious look. This fitness tracker offers 24/7 heart rate and blood pressure monitoring, which is essential if you're trying to stay proactive about your health. It also checks your blood oxygen levels on demand, so you can see how well your body is utilizing oxygen at any moment. With detailed sleep tracking, it helps you understand your sleep patterns, something many of us overlook, but it's crucial for your overall health. It supports over 120 activity modes, making it easier for you to track various workouts and stay motivated. Now, some people have complained about its accuracy compared to traditional monitors. Here's the thing though, while it may not replace a clinical device, it's a great tool for tracking trends over time, especially if you're not looking for clinical precision. This is perfect for you if you're into fitness and looking for a smartwatch that keeps tabs on your health. Skip this one if you want a purely clinical blood pressure monitor. At its price point, it's a fantastic value for what it offers. Product number 2, Coverage Blood Pressure Monitor in white. Priced at an affordable $17.98. It really caught my attention with its Bluetooth compatibility and voice broadcast feature. If you want an easy-to-use monitor that syncs with your phone for tracking, this is definitely worth considering. This monitor connects to an app compatible with both iOS and Android, allowing you to store, track, and share your health data effortlessly. With a backlit display and voice prompts, it makes it easy for anyone to get their readings quickly. It also supports dual users, which is perfect if you're monitoring blood pressure for more than one person in your household. With 199 memory spaces per user, you can keep a detailed history of readings to share with your doctor. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky on smaller wrists. But here's the thing, it's still portable and provides accurate readings, so if you're not overly concerned about aesthetics, it's a solid choice. This is a great option if you want something budget-friendly that's simple yet effective. Skip this if you prefer a traditional cuff style or need a more compact solution. Product number 3, Coverage Blood Pressure Monitor Black. We have another model from Coverage, this one in black and just slightly pricier at $21.58. It offers similar features as the white version, but adds a touch of style. If you're looking for a sleek design with the same functionality, this could be your pick. Just like its white counterpart, this model offers Bluetooth connectivity and a user-friendly app to store your readings. The dual user feature is a huge plus, especially in a family setting, allowing you to track multiple users without any hassle. The backlit display ensures readability in all lighting conditions, and the voice broadcast is a helpful addition for those who might struggle to read small screens. One drawback is that some users felt the voice prompts were unnecessary and preferred a silent option. However, you can turn them off, which makes it adaptable to your preferences. This is perfect for those who want a stylish yet functional monitor. Skip it if voice features are something you'd rather avoid. Product number 4, Double Love Blood Pressure Monitor. The Double Love Blood Pressure Monitor comes in at $29.99 and is designed for home use with 2 cuff sizes included. What caught my eye was its high accuracy and the advanced AI algorithm it claims to use. If you want a reliable monitor for the whole family, this might be a winner. This device not only measures blood pressure, but also checks your heart rate, alerting you to irregular rhythms. It accommodates 2 users, storing up to 240 records, 120 for each user, which is great for tracking over time. The adjustable cuffs mean that it can fit a wide range of arm sizes, so you don't have to worry about it being too tight or loose. Plus, the large HD display makes it easy to read, even in low light. However, some people found it a bit heavier than expected, which might not be ideal for portable use. But if you're mainly using it at home, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is great for families needing a reliable monitor. Skip it if you're looking for something ultra-portable or lightweight. Product number 5, Omron Small D-Ring Cuff. We have the Omron Small D-Ring Cuff, priced at $22.90. It's a simple yet effective option, designed specifically for smaller arms. If you need a monitor that fits comfortably and accurately, this is definitely worth considering. This cuff fits upper arms with a diameter of just 7 to 9 inches, making it perfect for those who struggle to find a comfortable fit with standard cuffs. It's compatible with several Omron blood pressure monitor models, so if you already own one, this could be the perfect addition. The digital display is clear and easy to read, which is essential when monitoring your blood pressure at home. One downside is that it's only a cuff and doesn't come with a full monitor. If you don't already own a compatible Omron device, this won't be helpful. But if you do, this is a great way to ensure you get accurate readings without discomfort. This is ideal for those with smaller arms looking for an accurate measurement. Skip this if you don't already own a compatible monitor.
The More Pro Fitness Tracker is great for fitness enthusiasts, while the coverage models offer budget-friendly options, one in white and one in black. The Double Love monitor is perfect for families needing reliability, and the Omron cuff is ideal for those with smaller arms. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your needs best.